Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to replace a front oxygen sensor. We have a 2004 Toyota Yaris here, but the work is the same for most makes and models. I started up the car and connected the OBD scanner to scan the fault I have. Now I can see that the fault code is P0135. which indicate a fault in the front oxygen sensor. To make sure that the current sensor is really not working, I connected the two probes of the multimeter to the two pins of the black wires and set it to 200 ohms. With a normal sensor there will be resistance, but in this sensor the resistance was 0. Sometimes it's not an easy task and you can spray some lubricant to convince the old sensor out. But we are using a 22mm socket for the oxygen sensor, and it's cut to allow us to insert it despite the wiring. So we got here a new denso sensor equivalent to the original one, but we will need to adapt it to the original connector since it only came with bare wires. So I wrap the wires of the new sensor with the wires of the original connector on the right order, and then what I want to do is to crimp them with a vice grip. Note that we do not want to solder the wires of the oxygen sensor, so there is no increase in the resistance of the wires from soldering. Now, after I connected all the wires in the right order, we want to check the resistance of the new oxygen sensor and connect it back to the car. So I adjust my multimeter to 200 ohms, and again I connected the two probes to the two black pins in the connector, and right now you can see that the resistance is actually displayed on the multimeter in comparison to the old sensor where we had no resistance. So on the final step, let's just connect the oxygen sensor on the reverse order, and that's it.